Get ready for this groundbreaking living room transformation. The first step is to remove everything from the room and create some space for work. We're pretty excited to see the procedure and of course the final result of this room. After everything is removed, he begins to paint the walls. Ain't nothing like a little DIY project. This place is definitely missing a curtain, so he's taking care of that. A lighting system that never fails to look good. He's now dealing with the floor. It surely needs some tiles. He's taking this project outside too. Let's see what he's doing now. Wood is quite easy to work with, and it looks amazing whatever you do with it. These guys just made breathtaking sofas. We're loving this. Some more woodwork is needed. Above everything else, we're amazed by his dedication to make a difference. With a transformation like this, I would have never want to leave this place. And to think that this is still a work in progress, it makes us wonder how better can it get. Let's watch him make cute decorations for the space. Every little thing that gets added gives life to this place. The best thing about this transformation is that he's doing everything himself. A DIY transformation is the best thing that can happen to a place. He's got to be pretty creative to come up with these wonderful ideas. Can you believe this is the same room? We're speechless. This room looks like it's not getting used, so why not make something good out of it? Removing all of the useless stuff from here to make space for better things. He's got some work to do. So let's get at it. After he's painted the walls, he's once more dealing with the floor. Would you like a makeover like these ones for any of your rooms? This time he's making a bedroom out of this space. The windows need a retouch too. And the bed needs a small sofa near it to look complete. It's almost unbelievable how good this guy is. We're obsessing over this corner. It looks so cozy. He even built a small chair and a nightstand. You can already tell the difference. This transformation is out of this world. Time for another renovation. What do you think he'll do this time? Let's wait and see. The chosen color for this room's walls seems to be white. He won't stop there though. He's got to deal with the ceiling too. These places are getting the transformation they deserve, and we love to see it happen. Looks like he's putting together a closet. This will not be your average closet though. Knowing what he's able to do, we're guessing the closets will end up looking terrific. Little by little we can see some pieces of it. Just imagine having all this space for your clothes. That's pretty great. His work is so professionally done, and you can tell that. We're wondering who are the lucky people that get to experience these changes in their place. Looks like he's not done yet. We admire his will to work and do good for others. Are you enjoying these makeovers as much as we are? A little decoration never hurt nobody. They look absolutely beautiful here. Believe it or not, he's making a chandelier with these pieces. It surely looks amazing. Wow! What a transformation! It's so hard to believe how this used to look like in the beginning.